Easily lift stains and grime from hard surfaces and fabrics with Ecolution Po2wer. States ready-to-use oxygen cleaner. Ecolution Po2wer uses the cleaning and deodorizing power of oxygen to tackle dirt, stains, and odors on both hard and soft surfaces. Ecolution Po2wer is an environmentally friendly product with a Safer Choice certification and is gentle enough to use as a daily cleaner around pets, plants, and people. The power of the oxygen formula breaks down dirt, stains and grout, pet messes, fruit stains, coffee stains on clothing and carpet, oil on concrete, and more. Ecolution Po2wer is easy to use. Simply spray onto the problem area and allow a few minutes for dwell time. For stubborn stains in carpet and laundry pre-treatment, allow 3 to 10 minutes of contact time. Wipe off the stain and rinse with clean water and you're done. Ecolution Po2wer is safe on fabrics and contains no bleach or chlorine additive. Be sure to spot test in an inconspicuous area before treating with Ecolution Po2wer. With Ecolution Po2wer, there is no need to worry about harsh odors. It is fragrance-free, making it the perfect product for scent-sensitive areas. Use Ecolution Po2wer in hospitals, senior living facilities, restaurants, hotels and motels, daycares and schools, vet offices, and anywhere an easy, ready-to-use cleaner is needed. Ecolution Po2wer, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.